All right, this has LED headlights, and they have, of course, they're auto on, and they have auto high and low beam. This has the lights in the mirrors on both sides. You have your running lights, or your fog lights, lights in the bed. There is also a button in the back to push for your lights in your bed, and then that's your pedal to make your pedals go back and forth. Looks like I need to clean the spot off there. It has a button right here for up and down. All that stuff works on it. Over here, again, we've got the exhaust brake and manual and auto. Your traction control, hazards, lane assist, and your camera. Camera works, so 360, and then also has the 180 camera, or the regular. And then I think I have to put it in reverse. It's reverse camera. Hit this. You have the one in the bed up above for backing in. This does have a gooseneck hitch. Just the tonneau cover's covering it right now, so you can't see it. This also has an auxiliary that you can hook up, so if you want to add another camera, you can. And you can also add the trailer camera. So this down both sides, so you can see your trailer as you're backing up. This one you can hook up if you have a camera on the trailer itself. You can do that. So kind of a nice feature. And take it back out of. So this one also has massaging seats. So you hit massage, drivers, massage. So now it's massaging. You can adjust the power settings. So front, both driver and passenger have front massaging seats. Rear seats are heated. Again, it has navigation. Radio in this is upgraded. So that's country.
Left foot.
So anyway, it's a good sounding system. So that all works. Control does have a CD player. Dual adjusting controls for your temperature, cooling, and heated seats. They all work. Heated rear window, and then trailer, brake controller, Bluetooth, your phone or any Bluetooth device. Hook up, play music, and everything through it. So just hit audio, hit sources, and then you can go through, pick what you want. So, and then here's has the badging for Platinum. Really nice upgraded seats. It does have the Ford floor mats in it.